What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the name and password of your iPhone's personal hotspot. To quickly change your iPhone's hotspot name, open up your Settings app. From here, navigate to General, About. The top option, called Name, allows you to change your device's name. This will in turn also change the name of your personal hotspot, so make sure to use a name that is distinct to you. Changing your device's name will have no real impact on your apps or other devices, only that your chosen name will also show up in your Apple ID and Find My settings. To change your personal hotspot password, head back to your main settings and tap on Personal Hotspot. From here, tap on the Wi-Fi password option and change your password. This will apply immediately, and currently connected devices might have to reconnect using the new password you set on your device. Use a password that is not easy to figure out, as you don't want random people using your mobile data connection. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.